Can we grow a brain in a lab? It might sound like science fiction, but it's happening. Welcome to the world of brain organoids. Brain organoids are miniature lab-grown models of the human brain. They aren't conscious or self-aware, but they mimic many of the brain's structures and early developmental behaviors, and they're revolutionizing neuroscience. Why grow a brain? Because the real human brain is incredibly complex, difficult to study, and obviously ethically off-limits for experiments. Brain organoids offer a groundbreaking alternative. So, how do you build a brain organoid? It starts with stem cells, cells that can become anything. Scientists guide them into becoming neural tissue, then let them grow in three-dimensional culture systems. Over weeks and months, these tiny blobs form layers, neural networks, and even spontaneous electrical activity, just like a developing brain. Researchers use organoids to study brain development maps, how neurons connect and better understand diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and autism. Because they can be grown from a patient's own cells, organoids allow for personalized research, helping predict how someone might respond to specific drugs. Drug testing is another powerful use. Organoids provide a realistic model to test treatments for neurodegenerative diseases, potentially speeding up the development of new medicines without relying as heavily on animal testing. But what about consciousness? Could these mini-brains become self-aware? So far, there's no evidence that brain organoids are conscious, but they do show brain-like activity. That's sparking debate in the scientific community about where the ethical lines should be drawn. If an organoid could experience pain or awareness, how would that change the rules of research? This research is still in its early days, but the possibilities are staggering. Brain organoids could lead to personalized brain treatments. They could help us understand brain development disorders at the cellular level. They may even one day interface with machines to inspire brain-like artificial intelligence. Of course, with potential comes responsibility. Scientists are calling for international guidelines to make sure this powerful technology is used ethically. The future of brain science is being built, one cell at a time. As we uncover the secrets of the mind, we're also redefining what it means to understand ourselves. This is the story of brain organoids, the tiny brains with massive potential.